This hidden gem should be on your bucket list. Welcome to Baños, Ecuador. Known as the gateway to the Amazon, Baños seamlessly blends stunning landscapes, thrilling activities, and rich culture. Feel the rush on the famous swing at the end of the world, suspended over breathtaking mountain views. Hungry? Take a bite of traditional Ecuadorian taffy, a local treat called melcocha, made fresh right in front of you. But that's not all. Don't miss the chance to relax in the mineral-filled thermal baths, a soothing experience that will leave you rejuvenated. And the best part? Baños is incredibly inclusive and welcoming to all travelers. Travel with confidence, knowing you're embraced in this magical town. Whether it's the roaring waterfalls or the vibrant town life, Baños promises a once-in-a-lifetime experience. So what are you waiting for? Pack your bags and let Baños take your breath away. Where should we go next? Subscribe to join the adventure.